You want to know how to split up large models into smaller ones so you can print it? Well, this is how I do it. First, I scan the object, then model the part in Fusion 360. Then I start a new sketch, draw a line a little taller than the object, and another a little longer than the object. Then I create a pattern with the number of divisions I want, then use the split tool to slice the body into smaller pieces, and then ascend it to the 3D printer software. Print all the parts, glue them together, and finally, I admire my work.